Hello, welcome. This is a new type of video I'm trying. So, I have heard a lot about crypto recently, but I don't know anything about it. So, I will learn with you live. So, what do I know? I just know that there is like various types of cryptocurrency, and like Bitcoin is one of them. Then I know that it is decentralized, which means there is like a ledger or like a book as in an online book where every transaction is noted, but it's anonymous, so nobody knows who's doing what. Then it's like, so the government has no control and they're going ballots, like the Indian government has already banned crypto and it's all over the news. Then you have to do something called mining. I don't know what the hell mining means. Doggy coin. Anyway, what mining means, you have to keep the computer running an algorithm for hours and something happens and you get a Bitcoin. I mean, I don't know. I really don't know what mining means, so we will find out. And it's extremely volatile and it's the future. That's all I know. These are the pointers that I'm going to. Let's see what the hell is cryptocurrency. We'll actually just type that. Wow, there is an article with that exact heading. Okay.
Meet Frank and Danny. One day,
Okay, so with respect to what the hell is cryptocurrency, I think I knew I covered whatever I covered in the intro was almost all of it. The only new thing that I learned is about that it is the keeping of the ledger is done using a technology called blockchain, where the information regarding every transaction is stored in blocks, where each block is like who made the transaction and to whom. And a copy of this ledger is stored in various locations across the world called as nodes. And for any transaction to happen, the exchange is verified across all nodes and only then a transaction is allowed. So it makes it very secure, it makes it difficult to cheat into or make some changes. Next we will try and to understand what is mining. This one article made me understand what is mining by Freeman Law. So basically, it's like mining gold or silver. Miners are trying to mine coins, okay, of course. So basically, data is stored using a hash function, which is a complex mathematical equation is applied on the data and it is stored as the whatever is the result of that equation is stored. So the miners they use machines to solve this equation and get back the data. So if they crack this equation from the hash, that is the output, if they can crack the equation and get what's the data, they receive the coin and they can now add a block to the blockchain, right? If they can add a block. So, and they are award, and this block refers to kind of the coin, and they can add the block to the ledger and they receive this reward. And this chain continues, and the new block that is added, it has like a reference to, it uses a it refers to the previous block. So about the hash function of the previous block. So, and this is stored, right? So anyone can come and verify at any point that whether each for each block, was it added properly, was the hash function solved properly, and was it created legitimately. So as okay, so here comes the scarcity part, and this high volatility part also I understand, because as more and more miners, they keep mining the, I mean, they crack the equation, they find out the data, and now they get to add a block to the blockchain network. As it goes on, the equations get more and more complicated, and therefore the miners use even more powerful machines. So even but as the equations get more complicated, the competition between the miners increases, leading to a scarcity of the coins. I think we'll move on to what the future looks like with respect to this. Okay. Future of cryptocurrency, what is seen as like, at least for the near future, it's going to be more regulation, because although the anonymity is good for privacy, it is also great for criminals and smuggling and all of that work. So lawmakers around the world, including India, there is a cryptocurrency bill that is being made. They're trying to find out how to regulate this space, how to have taxes, how to prevent frauds. So that would be an interesting space. They want to promote the underlying technology of blockchain, but they don't want it to be as wild as it is now. So let's see where this is headed. It's the technology underneath is extremely interesting. Good to learn about these future technologies, and let's see where this goes. Okay, bye.